Welcome back to Technique Tuesday. Today we're going to talk about the differences between single and triple time swing. So single and triple time swing are both versions of East Coast swing because there is a difference between East Coast and West Coast swing. So right now we're talking about East Coast swing. A single time swing is when I take one step in each direction. So single time meaning one. I go one, one, and then I break on the rock step. So I took one step to the left, one step to the right, rock step. From the follower's perspective, I go one step to the right, one step to the left, rock step, one, rock step, right? Nothing involved with timing so far, right? In triple time swing or three, I take three steps in each direction. So I go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then I go rock step. On the follower side, I go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, rock step. So I have a little chasse in the middle there of that basic single, one step in each direction, triple, three steps in each direction. The timing difference now is we use single time swing or single time East Coast swing to dance to faster music because since I take less steps, I can dance to music that is much quicker. And I can go 1, 2, rock step, 1, 2, rock step, where if I were to dance triple time swing to that same speed of music would be closer to jive and maybe even faster than jive, and I'd have to move myself really fast, and jive is a whole nother version of swing dancing. So if I were to do this a little faster and do single time swing more to a music speed, 1, 2, rock step, or 1, rock step. So it moves pretty quick still, taking one step in each direction. Triple time swing is a slower swing music because I have more steps to fill that amount of time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, rock step, triple step, rock step is closer to the speed I would actually dance that music. So if you have a swing song and it's a very slow swing song, triple time is a good fit. Fast swing songs, single time swing, it's a pretty good idea to make it easier for ourselves to either one of those options, right? So number of steps I take in each direction, speed of the music is a big factor, but I can do a lot of the same patterns in both dances. So practice both of these and have them in your repertoire so you can dance to a wider variety of music. Check us out more at ballroomfeed.com to see some more technique videos or learn some of these patterns in each of these styles that we teach. And we'll see you next time on Technique Tuesday. See ya.